We're gonna go to the kids floor later. Yeah, they will need this. So don't lose it. It's they have a playing area for 10 adults. It's gonna be nice. How old are you? 8. Yeah, you're still okay. It's from 48 years old. They have
You're
activities
8.
there. Organized activities for the
She
kids.
says why did she say she's 10? Ate said she's 10. Oh. It's 8 hours, I can't wait.
Like the score so far, or you like the space? Which one is your space? You're an astronaut! Wow! Okay, here you go. So my name's for those who just joined us, good afternoon once again and welcome to the observatory. So this is the place where we grow, we biopoint, and we incubate our successful genetically modified species. Now if you can take a look, they are in the incubator so that they can further grow and develop here. Once they reach a level of maturity after the countdown, it is 10 hours and 53 minutes, our species will be released now back to their natural